Disclaimer: in this video, the hands are not mine, so ignore it. I'm just trying to be a good cameraman. Hello fellows, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna review some really cool items or gadget for videography. Actually, I need them, so I order it and then the day arrived. Finally, I get my parcel. So now it's time to unbox it.
First of all, we can clearly see that we have our tripod.
I know it's not the best quality I know it's not a best quality tripod, but actually I need it not for any kind of heavy purpose, so e- that's why I order it. So as you can see, there's a model number 3120A and some specification about that. You can clearly read them. Now it's time to unbox our tripod. So first of all, as you can see, there's a bag and I don't know what is in the bag. I think we got yes, here we get our mobile holder. I know it's not a very best quality. uh, for my work it will work. There we go, our black and shiny simple tripod, linear tripod. I know it's very small. I told you before. Now it's time to unbox the other thing. We will discuss the tripod and other things later. Now this is our mic. Actually, this is Boya BY-mm1
This is very useful.
for voiceovering or any kind of vlogging type of videography content, better. So let's jump on our we get a lot of things one by one. I will describe them. Here we have in package some two holders, mobile holders with TP4056 lithium ion cell charger. So here we have our small tripod. Leave it. So we fix it again and let's go. Then we have a little tripod for our mobile, and then and believe me guys, this is the most useful thing I have ever seen. Actually, it's a phone holder for car. Whenever I am driving my car and I have to watch my phone to see the GPS, so it's difficult to watch while driving. I will make videos separately on every product. Even I will review the microphone, my Boya microphone, very describably. Wait for the next part of this video.
Now it's time to unbox our mic.
Boya BY-mm1. Here we have first of all the dead cat, and then in our dead cat there is our microphone. As you can see, microphone from its look is really cool. Then we got an adapter for our microphone, as you can see. Very nice. And there is some silica gel, leave it, and then some aux cables. These are connecting cables for our phone and for our DSLR, if you want to connect your mic with phone or DSLR. And there's our little bag. Actually it's not very important, so leave it. So there's all. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this video and wait for the next part in which I will describe all the products very descriptively, especially the mic. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.